How to add thumbnail to Instagram Reels. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you add thumbnail to Instagram Reels. You could actually do it before posting or after posting it. So now then, to begin with, open up your Instagram application and log into your account. As logged in, you'll be then taken to their official page, which will look something like this. So here, what next you want to do is simply want to click on the profile from the bottom of the page. So in order to add the cover, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap on the three dot icon here, and next thing I'm gonna do is click on manage and go to edit settings, and you simply want to go ahead and click on edit from the top of the page. And in order to add a cover page, you want to click on add from camera roll, or you could go ahead and select it from there as well. If you want to use the camera roll, you just simply want to go ahead and select the one and click on add from camera roll. Once you've actually selected it, so click on a done button, and if you're sure about it, click on a tick button, and that is the simplest way you'll be able to add thumbnail to Instagram Reels. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.